Hi, I'm Fadila, the head of product at Sly, and today I want to talk to you about the different types of users that use a knowledge base. There are so many of them, so I won't cover them all here, but there are definitely two common archetypes. On the one side, you've got the streamliner, on the other, the guardian. Now, the streamliner is someone that's not overly attached to documentation, will create documents and delete them in a blink of an eye, let's say. And the guardian is someone who is a bit more meticulous about organizing and preserving documentation. They'll kind of keep hold of it just in case, maybe at some point, you never know, maybe that person over there might need it, which means that that archetype kind of holds on to content almost forever. And, these common archetypes are in most organizations that we've spoken to. And today what we want to do is bring a bit of balance to the guardian. We've introduced a feature at Sly that has two parts. The first part lets you identify content that's not being used. So your team are not looking at it anymore, they're not even referencing it in other documentation, they're not linking to it, so it's almost like it's dead content, let's say. You don't have to play the guessing game of wondering if people are using it or not. You can see it instantly, so you feel more comfortable then to archive it. And then the second part of that is, if you do end up archiving it, then you can, you have a bit of a safety blanket here where you can see back that content within context. So it's still archived, but you're able to view it within context. So you kind of, with those two parts, you don't need to play the guessing game anymore, and you can have more confidence to, have a bit more control over your content.